wardrobe on 10. There's at least 100, everything gon' flee. That's why she keep me coming, don't need no weed. Just so I can grab it if I'ma spend this money on I need the.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another Valentine's Day makeup look. So today is going to be the last day that I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look because Valentine's Day is today. So yeah, but I am going to be posting future content as far as like makeup videos and other content. So make sure you stay tuned. And of course, today we went with a red, kind of like an all red, because you know, we wanted to do the whole red heart type of event thing. So yeah, we got the red eyeshadow and a red lip. You can never go wrong with both. So if you're looking to achieve this look, make sure you stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, for starters, we're going in with the e.l.f. concealer and just going to apply that on the eyelids. My eyebrows were done off camera, and we're going to go and blend that out. And then we're going to go in with the Morphe 3503 palette, and we're going to use the orange brownish shade there and just apply it on both eyelids. I will be posting an eyebrow tutorial really soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Then after we blend those tones out, we're going to go back in with the same palette and we're going to take that red shade there and apply it all over the eyelid. Now you can go ahead and apply as much eyeshadow you want on your eyelid, just depends on how bright you want your red eyeshadow to be looked. Then we're going in with the James Charles Morphe palette and we're going to take the other red shade there and I'm going to apply on the eyelids and blend all of those eyeshadows out all together. And just come back in with the same brush that I used with the first shade, just blending it all out without adding any other product on. Then I'm going to go in with the Yanni eyeliner stick and just going to go ahead and start my winged eyeliner. I do like using like the stick eyeliner a lot more, only because, I mean, so like liquid liner, it definitely has like a better like effect, like it's darker in some sort, but the stick is just like fast, like just really quick. I just feel like I have to concentrate a little more when I do liquid liner, and I was not feeling like I wanted to concentrate today, so we went with the stick eyeliner. But same results, everything's good. Yeah. Then I just went in with a little concealer and I just covered up the eyeliner a little bit just to, you know, make sure that everything was straight and, you know, no little uncoordinated lines. Then I went in with mascara and just applied mascara on both sides of my eyelids, just getting ready for the falsies. As far as falsies, I went in with the Sheen falsies that I've been obsessed with, that I just love these lashes. It just gives like a lash extension look, and it's just very voluminous and puts the look together when you're doing like a full eyeshadow look. So I'm just applied both of the lashes on and just make sure that they fit on correctly and it was comfortable. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. concealer, just applying my first layer of concealer just to conceal my bags and just to clean up as well just all of the eyeshadow that's underneath the eyeliner. I'm just going to blend it out evenly, just make sure that it is all blended out on both sides, and just going to carry it around just to make sure, you know, all the acne scars that I want covered or anything that I want covered on my face is concealed. Then going in with my Wet n Wild pressed powder and just going to apply powder all over my face just to make sure that, you know, I don't give like an oily effect after I put my foundation. I feel like once I powder, it just sits so well. Then going in with my NYX Blur foundation and just applying that and just going to blend that all out evenly as well. Then I usually go in with the Beauty Blender just to blend out all of my foundation, just to make sure that it is actually just stuck in my skin and just, you know, not extra layers are on the out surface, just kind of lingering around and making my face look oily. Then I go in with my e.l.f. concealer that we used earlier and just going to apply the second layer of concealer just to get a a brighter effect under the eyes. And you just want to blend that out perfectly, and then we're going to go ahead and go on to our contour. And with that, I'm using the Ace Beauty contour palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and start my contour. And you just want to contour your whole face. Can't forget the forehead. Want to make that forehead look a little smaller, you know. Then I'm going to do my nose contour, and usually with my nose contour I like to carry it up just to have like a full contour effect. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my beauty blender and just blend out all of that contour that we had just did, just so that way it's not too dark of a contour. Then going in with my e.l.f. HD powder and just going to apply the powder where we had applied the concealer under the eyes. I do not like to bake. If you watch my previous videos, you guys know that I just apply the powder and then we'll just basically brush off after. So we're just applying the powder in all of the necessary areas under the contour, fixing it up, and just making sure that we are met. And then, like I said, I don't like to bake, and we're just going to brush off all of the powder off the whole entire face. And going back in with the brushes I did use for contouring, just to kind of make it look a little more detailed. And then going in with the complex brush palette and just gonna go ahead and apply blush. You can add as much blush as you like. And then with the Glow Kit Anastasia, and we're gonna apply that to highlight there, and just go ahead and apply as much highlight you like just to get that glow. And you can never forget the nose, so make sure you always add that highlight on your nose there, just so you look extra glowy-ish. And I am using the this glitter, pressed glitter. I'll leave the product name down below in the description. I did use this in a previous video, but I did use a pink glitter. This time I'm using gold. And I love the golds. I feel like the gold just brought the look together, and I'm obsessed with this gold glitter. And we're just going to apply it on your inner duct and carry it out into your crease. And I did do it a little bit below the lash line as well. Then I went in with my LA Color lip liner, and just applying that on my lips, just lining my lips up. And then I did go in with the James Charles palette, using the red to apply the red onto the lips, because I do not have red lipstick, and I tried this once before and I was obsessed with it. So I am doing it again, where I'm just applying the eyeshadow on the lips just to give that red lip. And it does stay, it's like a stain on the lips all day, and I love that. So yeah, just making it as red as you like, and going back in with the lip liner just to overline the lips, just to make sure everything is blended out. And I wanted the eyeshadow to be a little more red, so I went back in with the James Charles palette and took that red eyeshadow we used before and just applied more on the eyelids, just to kind of make it a little more red. And then I just went in with a brush and just blended all out. So yes, so this is the finished look, and I will be right back once I go ahead and get my hair done. Okay, so I went ahead and did my hair off camera. So this is the finished look all together. Absolutely love. I'm obsessed with the glitter, the press on glitter. That's the whole reason why I wanted to do this look. I did do, if you have been keeping up with my videos, my previous video was a pink eyeshadow. It kind of, I was very like skeptical about it because it started to look like it was the same kind of pink look with the reds that I did have, but I still turned out to like it, and I hope you guys liked it too. And I think that the gold glitter eyeshadow definitely put the look together. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for all my future content.